Hi guys, so this is how to end on the Joy Life app. Once you click on the link, it's going to direct you to Play Store where you will download the app. Okay, so I would advise you to download the app directly with the link because if you don't download the app from the link, you actually fall for the victim of any $10 without seeing withdraw option. Yeah, I mean it. I'm a victim too. Okay, so if you don't want to have that um devastated story of having $20, $10, you can't withdraw your money, make sure you download the app through the link. I say they download the app through the link. So we will see the way on registering. So in this video, remember to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and you will see the agency code and the link below the description of this video. Okay, so you can actually choose to go with your Google, which is your email, or you can actually choose to log in with your phone number. Or if you already have the app, this is very low, so you log in. So you click good, make sure you tick this good to be able to go through the process, right? So I'll be logging in with my Gmail. So you click on this Google. I'll be randomly selecting an account. So it's loading. So I advise you to use an account that is trustworthy for this particular. You agree and share. So our account is ready. So we are now picking up a name. So you need to use type in your name. So so I'll choose just a name I have before. Sexy. So going to actually be changing this profile pic because this is not my pic later. So you select the age. So mine is 2003. I'm a December born precisely, but just be smart, don't be selecting anything. So confirm. 2025. Okay. December 1st. Just go like that. So female, you click on start journey. So I'm using my sister's email to register because I'm actually creating an account for her. Okay, they didn't accept this emoji. So removing it. So what's that? So you can see I've registered. You don't need to use an emoji while your name. That's what I observed. So see, welcome to Joy Life. This is this is our unique and fun dating app that combines streaming and voice room and so on. Okay, you can actually click on this cancel. You can click on go and have fun. So I'm just be canceling it. So this is your profile. Yeah, this is your profile. So what you have to do next is this is a new account I just created. So I'll be dropping the agency code and my link under this video. Remember to use the link, it's really necessary, and join the agency, right? So to join the agency, this is your profile. First of all, you need to edit your profile. When you click on that place to direct you to your voila, network is killing me. So you can click on this edit. Look here, click on this edit. And network is bad. Female. Whatever you choose cannot be modified. So you can actually register as a male or a female. Or I would advise you to register as a female if you're a male that wants to aim in the app, unless you want to just have fun. If you're a male, register as a female. They won't do anything. You can still use your face while live streaming. Okay? And make sure you go for video and not audio if you want to aim. Yes. So this is my date of birth. So your country region cannot be changed. Self-introduction. Remember I said you need to complete your details. So I will randomly be looking for anything under my clipboard to post here for now. Um, uh, okay, so this is it. Okay, it's passed. I think it's passed. Okay, let's remove this stuff. I'll just remove more. Let me just look for something else. Mm, okay, I'm seeing what I'm looking for. So just put anything yourself, introduction. You can just post anything. So you can just post anything. Confirm. Well, okay, Nekwa. Okay, Nekwa. It's not 160 over 160. What's the already these people? Guys, guys, let's just put anything. Guys, really. Um, Ready to go. I can't tell. I can't tell why these guys are doing this to me. So when you like, you can actually choose to re-upload your profile picture. So this is how your account looks like. So here you will do your face verification. Yeah, it's necessary. Here you do your face verification. So once you're done with your face verification and it's approved, you can start doing that. But before you do anything in this app, you need to join an agency, which I'll be dropping the agency code under this video. Alright. So you can actually go to your settings and set up your password, a, a 6-digit password. It can either be, I think, yeah, it can either be alphabets or numbers, whatever you want to put. I don't know. So your language, you can set your language. If it's system, mine is English. So mine is gonna be English. You can choose anything of your choice. The other one is what people you blacklist, you see it here. So you can just click on the blacklist and see anybody you blacklist. I've not blacklisted anybody, this is my new account. So this clear cache is really important. If you have still like 1 month in this app, always clear your cache to avoid it hanging or avoid having network issue. Whenever you observe you're having network issue, come to the settings, click here, you see clear cache, clear it, and you're done. If you want to log out, you come over to the setting, you can see it, log out. Okay, so I think that is it. After you're done with your friend verification, you have to join an agency. So I'll be dropping the agency code that is video. If you have issue with your account, you can chat customer service here. Click here and drop whatever issues you're having in a brief form so that they'll attend to you. Right? So there's nothing much about this app. You just go live. It's just going live, video live precisely, and you're good to go. Here, and you're good to go. So, nothing much about the app. And it's very nice app. People have made their $30, $20 in 14 days. When I mean in 14 days, only means in 14 days. So, you can also do this at people live streaming. If I click here to mute my voice, so I wouldn't be clicking it. Always go live, don't choose party. Don't choose party. Always go live. Live is the best option for you if you want to win, right? So I think that is all for now. I think that is all for now. So do all to join the agency. I'll be dropping the code under the description of this video, like I said, and like and subscribe to this video to get more updates on when I post. Okay. Like you will be seeing your reward here too. So when you click on reward, excuse me, when you click on reward, it's loading. So whatever reward they give you, you will see it here. Yeah, you will see it here. When you write somebody, you see it. Collect VIP, you see it. This is your rewards. Remember I said the new bid tax, once you're done with your face verification, your new bid tax is ready. 1,000 times. Blah, blah, and so on. This is the daily tax. Once you do your face verification, you see your new bid tax. Right? So that is it. Always complete all your daily tax. It's not compulsory you and buy coins here to in people are doing $20, $30, buy coins from us. You can do it. Do your tax every day, 2 hours every day. Or even you can do 3 hours every day. I think they give reward for 3 hours more. Whichever one you can do it 2 hours every day. Their new day starts by 5 o'clock sharp is their new day. So make sure you're done with your tax before 5. You can see now it's 5 already. So this is their new day. If I've not completed my task, so I did 1 hour, that tax, no reward for it. It must be 2 hours before 5 o'clock. Right, this is still 6 in my end. And what else? What else? Okay, this is your 9 months. Yeah, this is where you see your reward, your earnings, like your money you can withdraw. Let me just put it like that. This is where you can place withdraw. You see your live stream earnings, you see your commission, you see your party earnings, you see your if you want to exchange your diamonds, you see how many diamonds you have here, you see your platform rewards. This is where you can place your withdrawal. So, and like I said, if you didn't use my link, when you reach $100, um, sorry, when you reach $10, $20, you won't see any reward option. My day is true. But this link, once you reach, you see reward and withdrawal option. But if you didn't use, sorry for you, put it up for your stress and everything, you won't see. So here is your coins. If you earn any coins, maybe they rewarded you with coins, you'll be seeing here. Or if you bought coins in the app, you'll be seeing here. Okay, you can see the amount of coins, $0.99. Converting to my end, 4,900. Sorry, yes. Converting it to my end, that should be, I don't know. Let's not convert it. You can go and convert it. Like, I have a counselor in case you need. You can just type in the comment section, counselor needed, and I'll drop counselor for you. So you don't end up going into hands of scammers, okay? I think that's all for now. I think that's all for now. So be able to join the agency and make sure you let me know and do your tax. Bye. See you in the next video.